Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus exam vocabulary one word at a time. Before we get into today's word, here's a reminder that we deliver live workshops throughout the year for students preparing for their 11 Plus exam. These workshops cover comprehension, verbal reasoning, writing, and maths. In the last academic year, we helped over 5,000 students. Give it a try and improve week after week. Just visit the Exam Coach website for more information. That's www.theexamcoach.tv. Today's word is nonplussed. It is pronounced nonplussed, and it is spelt Nonplussed. Think non, then plus with two S's, and then ed. Nonplussed means to be surprised or confused to such an extent that one is unsure how to react. For example, you could say, I was completely nonplussed when I won the award, if you had absolutely no idea how you won it. The word nonplussed comes from the Latin non plus, or not more. The word originally meant a state in which no more can be said or done. Its meaning is similar today. If you are nonplussed, you are so surprised or shocked that you don't know what to say or do. Earlier this year, a couple in Louisiana were left nonplussed after the birth of their second set of identical twins. The chances of having two sets of identical twins are 1 in 111,000, making this an amazing and shocking occurrence. Mother Erin said, I was so shocked that I couldn't even put it into words. She was nonplussed. Nonplussed is an adjective and therefore a describing word. For example, you could say, he looked nonplussed. Or you could use nonplussed as a verb or doing word. For example, she was nonplussed by the strange question. Nonplussed is defined in the dictionary as surprised, confused, and not certain how to react. Nonplussed synonyms include confused, bewildered, bemused, puzzled, perplexed, baffled, and stupefied. Antonyms include bore, calm, clear up, comfort, enlighten, and expect. See if you notice anyone acting or feeling nonplussed today. It could be because they are surprised or confused. Why not have a chat with them to settle them down a touch? Have a top day ahead, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show.